Nation has arrived. Welcome to Pause and Rewind, because that's just what we do here. Listen, NIGHTWISH, back on the channel, man. We're keeping the journey going, following the list of recommendations. We switching from Wacken to live Wembley Arena. So we in 2015 now with this particular live performance. So this one is called My Walden, maybe. I know a lot of words, and you know I can figure out maybe the origin of something but I don't know what that is. So I'm actually excited to check this out. A name, a place, a thing. We're gonna see if we can figure it out based on the song. And then if not, then y'all can tell me in the comments. But let's get into some NIGHTWISH, man. This is Pause and Rewind, Havik Nation. Let's go. Oh,
you know,
damn.
I've been to Machu
sign.
Picchu, and I've been to the Taj Mahal.
That's so funny.
I've been to Petra. I've seen Christ the Redeemer. I've seen most of the Seven Wonders, but it's nothing compared to this.
Ooh.
Nothing.
Ooh.
And if you don't mind, I've been dreaming about this since I was about 9. So can I just say it once? Good evening, Wembley.
That's cool. That's cool.
Thanks for that. Here we go. We're going to go deep into the mountains, have a little drinky with Shelley and Byron and Coleridge and Whitman. Signen gute Gold with så gwenydd fain can y coed a chead ungwefad deni di.
Okay, I was like, wait a minute. I got good ears, bro. I got pretty good ears. I didn't know what the hell I was hearing. Your mind is tripping because, like, I thought they were speaking English. So I'm, like, really tripping. But that's clearly a different language, and like a chant or a song or something like that. All right. Damn. Sounds lovely. Woo! Bro, so what do you call this kind of sound? I don't even know. But I love this. Like with the pipes and the sound and like the, you know what I mean? Like, that's just so cool. I'm not familiar with that type of sound. I don't know. There's just something nice, real nice about it. Okay, I heard In My Walden. I heard Moss Grown Woods. Hold on. Moss Grown Woods. Weaving my world into tapestry of love or tapestry of life. Either way, weaving my world, right? Creating my world. Into the wild, weaving my world into tapestry of life. It's fire, golden in my woman. I will taste the love in every tree. Okay. Liquid honey and wine from the distant dew. You're definitely in the woods. Early morning greenwood concerto. concerto. Early morning Greenwood concerto. All right, so we in the woods. Okay, there's a lot of references to like nature, but specifically greenery, trees, honey, tasting the honey from every tree, all of this type of stuff, and gold beyond the city. And then it's gold in my Walden. It's fire gold, I think she said, or bright gold, something like that. But that weaving my world into tapestry. That right there is a big line too when you're trying to put it all together. So this is giving me like Neverland type vibes, you know what I mean? Which we've referenced before quite a bit, the whole Peter Pan type of stuff and all of that. But now I'm getting, you know, where a nice little cottage or something would be, right? Beautiful nature, bright green. And then you look at this shot right here, and what color are the lights? You know what I'm saying? Green. So there's a lot of earthy elements here. Oh, so good. It greets my world. This hook is fire. Whoa. Love what she does.
From many colored giants flying higher, 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 higher.
Beautiful.
You can take the mountain path dancing.
Whoa, switch up. Weaving my world, right? That's so cool. Wow. How long was this? 5.5 minutes? That flew by. That flew by. I was so drawn into him playing them pipes, man. I've heard like bagpipes and stuff before, but they don't be rocking like that. Yeah, they don't be rocking like that. That's different. That was dope. I actually really love this song. I still don't know what a Walden is, but like, I feel like I've pulled something from that. You know what I mean? Like basically creating your own world is what she was saying, or your own home, or making a world of your own. It sounded similar. Couldn't quite make it out, but all of it kind of the same. But like going somewhere, finding a blank canvas and painting your own life is essentially what I get from that. Or weaving into tapestry your own life. You know what I mean? Where you can live and be free and just do whatever, feel whatever, and be happy and joyous and like authentically happy instead of like makeshift happy or just going here and kind of going through the motions. You go here, find a blank canvas and paint whatever you want and just live in that painting. That's what I got from that. That shit was dope. That shit was dope. All right, y'all, that was Nightwish. Listen, y'all correct me in the comments. Tell me what's really going on. I'll appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? But based on my interpretation on a first listen, that's what I got. So y'all can let me know, you know what I'm saying, what this song was like for you when you first heard it, what it actually means. Maybe y'all have seen like interviews or something or whatever. I don't know. Y'all are the big fans. So y'all fill me in on the comments, man. I will meet y'all there. Let me know what I should be reacting to next. And I'll see y'all next time. Havik Nation, be easy.
Yeah, they sleeping on us, bed, we wake 'em up. Cut my day ones off cause they was faking love. Had to change the recipe, my cake ain't baking up. Yeah, they sleeping on us, bed, we wake 'em up. Tryna take what's in my pocket, that's a no, yeah. Tryna one beat